Spark plugs become less effective over time, and at 100,000 miles you will need to replace them with new ones. Here's what you will need to do that. You need a 3/8 drive ratchet, a 10mm socket with a 9/16 deep well socket, ratchet extensions, a magnet rod, and 4 new spark plugs that fit your car. Open the hood and remove the engine cover. Disconnect the wiring harness plugs from the coil packs. I highly recommend using pliers for this step, but I didn't have any handy, so I just had to suffer through it. Using the ratchet and the 10mm socket, loosen and remove the bolt that is holding the coil pack into the engine. I recommend only changing one spark plug at a time, as it minimizes the chance of something falling into the engine cylinder. Remove the coil pack from the cylinder and set it to the side. Take your deep well 9/16 socket and attach it to a ratchet extension. I found that the plastic engine bay shroud was incredibly in the way, so I used a universal joint attached to the socket attached to the extension in order to fit it all in the cylinder. Using your ratchet, completely loosen the spark plug until it is free of its threads. Once the spark plug is loose, use your magnet rod to pull it out of the cylinder. Alternatively, you can reinsert the coil pack and use the rubber grip on the end to pull the spark plug out of the cylinder. Here you can see the difference between a 100,000 mile spark plug and a brand new one. The rust and corrosion buildup on the old spark plug causes the spark to become less effective over time. Continuing to use the old spark plugs can lead to reduced gas mileage and increased wear and tear on the engine. Going for too long without replacing your spark plugs could even lead to engine misfires. Take your new spark plug and drop it threaded side down into the open cylinder. Insert the deep well 9/16 socket and extension once again, and carefully hand thread the spark plug into the cylinder. Pay close attention here and be very careful to not cross thread the spark plug. Once the spark plug is hand tight, use the ratchet to tighten it the rest of the way. Reinsert the coil pack on top of the spark plug and replace the retaining bolt. Reconnect the wiring harness to the coil pack. Repeat these steps for each additional spark plug. Make sure that you reconnect each coil pack to the wiring harness, otherwise your engine will misfire and throw an engine code. Once that is done, replace the engine cover and close the hood. You're all done.